Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm gonna make a Taser gun or stun gun because lately there are so many crime activities around my environment. So I guess it's a good thing if I have a tools to defend myself. So let's make it DIY. Okay, to make this taser, you're gonna need a couple of electronic parts. So you're gonna need a battery. So I got this battery from my old toy. And then you're gonna need a switch button, couple of screws, and then a can. You can use Coke, it's fine. And you're gonna need a bottle. But this is optional, you can use other things. I will explain it later. And then the important part of Taser gun is this thing. This thing called volt booster. I don't really understand how this thing works. But honestly guys, I don't really understand how this Taser gun mechanism works. Because as you know, I'm not an engineer student. I just learned this mechanism online and also from a couple of electronic experts from YouTube.
You can see how far.
Okay, it's all wired, so let's see if this work. It worked. That's awesome. Okay, if you want to test it, make sure your hand on the right position, on a safe position, so it's not hurt you. Can you see that spark? Pretty cool, isn't it? it was working at first, but now it's dead. I thought the problem was the cables, but the real problem is the battery. And I forgot where I put the charger, so I can't use this battery anymore. But I got this battery from my friend. I think we can use it. Okay, let's make a simple test if this battery works or not. It works, and even the spark stronger than before. Nice. Wait a minute. I need to put this on. Oh gosh. Alright guys, this is it. DIY Taser gun. Well, you must be wondering why I use soft drink bottle like this instead of other things. Actually there are many people on YouTube make Taser gun like this, but most of them use PVC pipe as a casing. I don't want people to know that this is a Taser.
Give me all your money.
Wait, hold on. Wanna drink?
What the?
So, but this is also good for clickbait. I guess this is a simple mechanism of Taser gun, so I think you can make it at your home. All you need is just battery, switch, and also this volt booster. You can buy it online. There are many stores sell this thing. But please, if you want to make it, be careful. You could harm yourself. And if you did it, please use it as a tools to defend yourself, not the opposite way. I'm serious. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a like, share with your friends, and consider to subscribe if you want to see my next project in the future. As always, stay creative.